Encountered an ANBN file from data analysis software? This is a binary analysis file from specialized applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these analysis bin files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical ANBN data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. ANBN files are analysis data files used by specialized scientific or technical analysis applications for storing binary analysis results. They contain processed data, analytical results, computed metrics or analysis output used in research engineering or industrial analysis workflows, depending on the originating application's specific domain. ANBN files use binary formats specific to their originating applications, storing analysis data with structured records. The format may include analysis parameters, input references, computed results, and metadata about the analysis process following the application's data architecture for efficient storage of analytical output. For ANBN, the safest workflow is starting with source application. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows gives a basic description, but understanding the stored data requires compatible tools. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your ANBN file and choose Open With. Test with source application first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If the ANBN file won't budge, stay calm. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, identifying source application. Investigate the ANBN file's origin by examining the parent application installation, accompanying files, or system context. The analysis nature suggests scientific engineering or technical software. Source identification is essential for proper interpretation since binary analysis files require specific software for accurate reading and visualization of results. Next, opening in source software. Install the identified source application and use its file open or import features to load the ANBN file. The application processes the binary data displaying analysis results through its visualization or reporting interface. This provides full access to analysis outputs within the intended application environment with proper context. Finally, inspecting file headers. Use HXD or another hex editor to examine ANBN file headers for application signatures or magic numbers identifying the source software. Binary analysis files often contain identifying metadata in early bytes. This inspection aids identification when other context clues are unavailable, enabling targeted research for the appropriate analysis application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.